So we're doing a hair tutorial today on how to do a ballet bun. This is a good bun to have in class as well as performance. Start with nicely brushed hair. And we have our lovely Sophie, who's being our hair model today. If you have layers in your hair or like wispies like this, a lot more than this, you may want to put some gel on here first. I'm going to just do some spray right now. Close your eyes. You want to get it as smooth as possible. Try to get that ponytail. It's going to be right at the crown up here. So you're going to need one ponytail elastic. Nice and tight, close to the skull. Now for Sophie and most people, I'm going to divide this into two pieces. If you have thinner hair, you could probably just do this with one twist and around. But I'm going to use two. Sophie has nice thick hair. So I twist, and pin, pin, pin. Now, before we head out and get going, this is my favorite pin. It's nice and thick and very sturdy, and that's going to hold anything in. But you don't have to use that. You can use these regular old bobby pins too. That will work. So I'm going to do a little of both so you can see. So divide this in two. And I'm going to start with one half. And I twist. And I just start laying it along the head. And the key is flat as possible. So if you use this, you grab a bit of bun hair, a bit of head hair, and slide it in. And just start doing that along the way. Grab the bun hair, head hair, and slide. Okay, now I'm going to do that with some of the other bobby pins. And if you do this, make sure that this wavy part is going to be at the bottom. Grab, grab, and slide. I'm going to do one more. Grab, grab, oops, I had it upside down. Grab, grab, slide. Now I'm going to let this one sit for a minute. I'm going to grab a hold of the second one. Let's twist. Now we're going to wrap this around the outside of this one, nice and flat, like a cinnamon roll. Yum. Okay. Grab, grab, and see how flat that is? Grab, grab, and slide. Now I do this all the way around. I'm going to use one of these. Grab, grab head, and in. Grab bun, hair, head, hair, and slide. Let's do one more. Twisty hair, bun hair. Whoops. Grab the hair on the head and slide. Now we're about to this point. I'm going to re-grab this first one. This is going to keep it nice and smooth. And I'm going to start, see how I just continue right there. Grab and slide. And you'll get the hang of this. This is something, it might be fun to like have a little slumber party. Do each other's hair, or watch a movie, or some ballet variations. And these little wispies, we're going to cover that up with a hairnet, which is a must. Who is that crazy pin? Okay. I'm going to pick up with this where we left off. See how flat and beautiful that looks? Grab, grab. Okay, now I'm getting to some funky looking pins here. It's okay, we're almost done. Grab, grab. Let's just tuck that one in. Okay, so now these flyaway things here, you're gonna wanna just spray like crazy and pin, pin, pin. Pin, pin, pin. Pin, pin, pin. A little bit of gel might have been good for us today too. Okay, so now this hairnet is a little dark for Sophie, but that's what I had in my house. You cover this whole bun up. You may or may not have any. If you have not quite enough to do one more, but more than this, you can twist and then just hide it in here, like so. And just hide it with a couple of pins. That's pretty much it. Lovely.